In my will, keep it real, dug in my field, to the day I feel, keep it trill, anything I feel, youngest.
Man, oh man, I am excited. I don't even know what's in these boxes. I just got straight to it. What up, bro? What up? What up? Lethal, what's up, bro? The moment of truth is finally here. Are you guys ready to see? The package finally came in. Lethal, you're going to be very familiar with this right here, this part. Woo! What is that, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, shit, bro. It is freaking here. It is freaking here. I haven't even opened these boxes yet. I have not opened these boxes yet. Here we go. Boom. I've been waiting for you for a long time. I have been waiting for you for a long time. I worked so hard to get this. Hold on. I have to turn this around. Hold on, this thing. I want to read what the hell it says right over here. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. It is official. Optimus Prime has received his Allspark. Damn. New Gen, thank you, bro. Scaper, thank you, bro. Go for a drive. How? I'm going to hold this in my hand? What am I going to do? I can't drive with this. I gotta get it installed first. There's more stuff in here. I bet you the blow-off valve and stuff is in here. I got another box coming. I was told I have another box coming. So, we'll see how that goes. Kiss it for me. Bet you will. Man, I'll do it all day long. I kissed Optimus Prime. This thing is freaking heavy. It's heavy, bro. I've been waiting a long time for this moment, man. I've been waiting a long time. I worked real hard to get this, man. This goes to show you guys, man, you can do whatever you want, bro. You just got to work hard. Be patient and stay humble. Never get cocky. I want to know what's in all this, though, man. There's stuff in here. That one's kind of heavy, so I'm wondering if that's where the blow-off valve is. I don't know. It's like I want to open it. That one's not that heavy. That one's definitely not that heavy. That one is. There's something in that one. Thank you, bro. Dope little king. I appreciate it. Marlene, look what came in. Put a tongue in that bitch. Oh, shit. Yo, I am excited, dog. I can't believe this thing came in. You know what's crazy is I was checking it out with the tracking number. Fuck it, dude. We're just going to pop this open. Let's see what's in this box. I want to see the blow-off valve. I hope it's in here. We'll just do the unboxing right now. Freaking goddamn supercharger, bro. Prime is finally boosted, bro. Karen, what up, girl? Oh, no, this is not it. Shit. Yeah, I ain't touching none of this. I'm not. I installed a lot of stuff on my own, but I am not messing with this stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this before I throw it back in. Well, I can throw it back in that. It ain't going to fall out. Let's see what's in here. Setting a mindset is key to making a big purchase like that. Just look at me and my Challenger. Long in the making. Hell yeah, bro. Just post this on YouTube. I will. I'll definitely post this on YouTube, man. I appreciate it. It is crazy. Let's see what's in here. Trying to do this in one hand without cutting myself. Just want to see the blow-off valve. I don't know where it is. It's in here. Ah, there it is. Found it. Yes, 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 yes. There it is, people. Boom. Yeah, I can't wait to install this thing. It's crazy. So this is the stage 2 kit, you guys. This is not the stage 1. I ended up going with the stage 2 kit. Shout out to everybody that helped me out with Overkill. Shout out to Joe, Boosted LFX. Shout out to Daniel. Damn. I did, Karen. I said hi. What you mean I didn't say hi? I did. I said we did. I'm in my zone right now. You know what I'm saying? You can't blame me. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I want to take out that intercooler so I can show you guys that intercooler. It's in that box right there, but it's real heavy to lift it. I can't lift it. Get this baby. There it is, that V3SI. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Yep, V3SI. It's crazy. I want to take this off, but I don't want to mess with it. Should we take it off? Yeah, I'll take it off. Ooh. There it is. You don't like me anymore. Come on, man. You can't blame me. You know how hard I work for this? This is $5,600 right here I'm looking at. Cash. I paid this off. Black Widow, what's up, bro? Yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna sleep next to this tonight. I'm definitely gonna sleep next to this tonight. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is where you drain the oil when you change the oil. I believe that's what this is, because I was looking it up on YouTube on how to change the oil on these. Ugh. Definitely. Yep, it came in here. Pretty dope. Oh, man, I've been waiting a while for this. I'm trying to get it in next Thursday. I'm gonna message the guy again. I'm gonna go through John at PBK. I got some more goodies. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's my workout pills. Let's see what's in here. I don't know what's in here. I think these are the LED strips. Yeah, the bumper, once the bumper comes in, yeah, these are the LED strips. I could feel it. Once the bumper comes in, it'll be set, you know? But I definitely want to install this, hopefully next week on Thursday. I'm obviously going to make another video, but for YouTube. I'm trying to do this in one hand. These are some strips that I had purchased that you can put around, like on your dash and stuff like that, and you can change the colors. Coat. Break the internet. What up, what up, what up? Mom is here. So yeah, man, man, I can't believe it. I gotta look at it again. Hold on. I gotta look at this joint again. It's crazy. Alright, guys. Let me put all this stuff away, and then I'll restart the video. You know what I mean? Big winnings, big success. Damn, thank you, man. It's crazy. Keep the mom, what? I am. Yep, I am. What's up, bro? The moment of truth, man. That's beautiful. Yep. It's official, you guys. I just gotta get it in there. I gotta see. Like I said, I think I have one more. I don't know what I would be waiting for, but there's 3 boxes here. I don't know. He said there's one more box, I think. So I'll message him in a little bit and ask Will from Overkill. You guys are having way too much fun right now with the ladies. It's my name, bro. It's a-dilla. On PlayStation, just type this right here. Boom. That's my name on there. On Xbox One, just like this. Mom of a lot. Wow. All right, you guys. I'm gonna jump off for a little bit. I just wanted to show you guys that it came in and it's official. Prime finally got his Allspark. I'm gonna holler at you guys in a little bit. Appreciate all the love. Man, I can't wait to install this thing. I still gotta get the boost gauge to come in. I want to make that phone call tomorrow so I can get that boost gauge in hopefully by like Wednesday. Get that boost gauge in and the mount, the gauge pot. Need that, you know what I'm saying? That way we can pop this in. Chandler, what up, dog? But I'll holler at you guys in a little bit, y'all. Peace.